Okay, now very quickly I'm going to go through exercise 4.1, question 3. It's just the same as the previous one, okay, but I'll just show you one or two how I get the values of this one, where y when x is negative 1. So simply key negative half, alright. X square, now x is negative 1, so it's negative 1 square, alright, plus 2x, 2x, okay, x is negative 1. Basically every time you get an x, right, you just use the brackets and you'll be fine. Just key, and it's negative 2.5. Okay, so I write there negative 2.5. Okay, maybe I just do for you one more with the value of 2 here. So it's negative half, okay, 2, x is 2, so it's 2 square plus 2 times 2. Okay, here you get the value 2, like this. For the rest of the values, I shall not bother so much. I'll just give you the values. This is 0, 1.5, okay, here's 1.5, 0, and negative 2.5. Okay, before I even draw the graph, once again, let me tell you, okay, notice that the coefficient of x squared is negative in this case. It's not, the previous one we did was positive 1, so the coefficient, okay, of x squared is negative. Let's see what happens when the coefficient of x squared is negative, shall we? Okay, before that, let me just press autofocus here. Alright, and let's start plotting the graph. Okay, notice in this case, they already told in the question, they say that every 2 units, every 2 cm is 1 unit on both axes. So if you notice, for x-axis, 2 cm is 1 unit, y-axis, 2 cm is 1 unit. Now we just quickly go and plot. Remember, all graph work in pencil. Negative 1, negative 2.5 is down here. Okay. Then we have 0, 0 is here. When x is 1, y is 1.5. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is 1.5. X is 4, y is 0. X is 5, y is negative 2.5 down here, like this. Okay. Again, as I say, quadratic graph, it should be a smooth curve. Please do not, please resist the temptation of using a ruler to join them up, because it will not be like that. It should be a smooth curve. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to join up with a smooth curve. Again, I shall use my tool of choice. In this case, my tool of choice is the French curve, like this. Okay, notice I always draw the sides first, then I finish off with the center portion. This center portion usually is the hardest part to draw. Okay, so now, like this. Okay, so this part here, should be a nice curve like this, and the last part here should be a nice curve like this. So you notice you will get a nice curve. And once again, don't forget to label the graph. Y equals negative half x squared plus 2x, and all graph work, as you can see, is in pencil. Okay, and that is part B. Okay, part C, maximum point. Okay, maximum point is down here. This is a maximum point. Okay, I'm writing in pen just to show you where in the world it is, but just use your pen right at the side there. Okay, the answer, so it's part C, maximum point is equals to 2, 2, like this. Okay, then they say that they want the line of symmetry. So let me draw for you the line of symmetry down here. This is my line of symmetry. Then notice that the line of symmetry passes through the x value is equals to 2. So my line of symmetry is actually x equals to 2. Let me label that for you. x equals to 2. And finally, find the points of intersection of the graph and the x-axis. This is my x-axis. The points of intersection, alright, is here and here. Okay, so the points of intersection are, just write down, okay, here is 0, 0, and another one is 4, 0. X is 4, y is 0. Okay, you will not learn this term until somewhere in Sec 3, but why don't you just learn it now? Okay, so basically when a graph crosses the x-axis, these 2 points are known as where x is 0 and x is 4. Okay, x is 0 and x is 4. This is something special. These are called the roots of an equation. Just some good general knowledge for you to know before you hit Sec 3 next year, but it's just something. So again, to round up the whole question, everything is done in pencil, okay, except for the working that to present, right, will be done in pen. And that's it for question 3. And with just one more example for this chapter.